I'm going to show you how I do my Kardashian cookie jars. There is the black one.
Look at me. Look
and
at me.
There is the vanilla one. And there's Isaiah. He's my helper. These cookie jars, I got them from Target. They come in 3 different sizes. It's a smaller size. This is the medium. And it's a big old large size. Okay, this is the way the cookie jars turn out. There is 3 different sizes. They're a smaller size. There's this size, which is medium. And there's a large size. I bought the large, but they were too big for my island. And I went back and got the medium. And this is the way I usually have them. And the kids get the cookies as they see fit. There's Isaiah. He eats the most cookies. Let's see. Here, Isaiah. See our reindeer ears? And thank you for tuning in to my weigh-in week number 3.